Greetings all, Shane Bruce, Restomod Daisy. Hey, guess what we've got for you today, kids? A long form video. I know I hardly ever do those anymore. But the shorts are so easy. What can I tell you? Anyway, I had one of my subscribers sent me these little devices. If you'll notice that they look like funnels, and they've got peculiarly shaped indentations and cuts and stuff on them. Well, guess what? These are loading assist devices for the Model 25 magazines. And after looking at them for a while, I figured that the guy that sent this to me has built two 3D printed magazine loaders for the Model 25, one for the older style. I want you to take a look right there. That's the cut. See that? See how it's kind of like it's kind of a ramp, right? Well, you got to figure out, back in the day when Daisy was doing this, they must have just been hell-bent that you were going to slap your fingers with one of these every time you tried to load it, because watch what happens when you remove your finger from the lever. If you take your finger off the lever, you know what it does? You know what it does? It does this.
No.
Yeah, and that really smarts. I'll show you again. If you don't hold it down with your thumb, and then you have to do this, and then drop your BBs in that hole. And if you let go of it, it just slides right off that ramp and slaps your hand. Very disturbing. Now, the current production Model 25 magazine is a little bit different. You'll notice that they don't have a ramp here anymore. What they've done is machined a cut into it so that in theory, the little lever will stay there and allow you to fiddle about with your BBs while you're loading. But occasionally they will, in fact, slip just like the other one does. So let's get this tube empty, and I'll show you what this thing can do for you. Okay, so great magazines. This particular version, the current model, is much better than the old version. And the reason for that is it's got a magnetic catch to stop the BBs down here on the base of the unit. So there's no little spring that retains the BBs. And that eliminates a hole in the back of the receiver. This current production unit also has a seamless shot tube hiding underneath this sheath. And that means that it doesn't lose any speed or any velocity to a gap. It also has a better crown on the muzzle. So actually, all three of those components kind of get together to, typically if you drop one of these into a gun that will take it, you'll see a 35 to 50 feet per second increase in speed just by making that one mod. Not so much with these, because they have the older style spring retainer, and that's a big hole at the base of the receiver, so air blows out of there. You can't see it inside the shroud, but this is a folded steel shot tube, and they are not always tight all the way down. And that also has a nice crown at the muzzle, but the combination of the vent down here at the base of the shot tube and the folded steel shot tube itself, no speed bump on these shot tubes when dropped into other guns. Anyway, so the main problem with the Model 25 shot tube is it holds 50 BBs, but they are a bear to load. So on the older style, you have to maintain finger pressure, roll it over, get to the hole. Now, what I've been using for years is one of these, and naturally there's no BBs in there. So watch your fingers.
Let that go. For this video, sir.
Well, you know, I haven't done a long form in forever.
Well, yeah.
We won't go into the details about why that is.
Well, I think we all know why that is.
Well, you know, you ain't around, so.
Yeah. Well, I'm here now, so.
So, try not to get any trash in your BBs. Yeah, like for example.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah. You know what those
This is what the viewership likes, Dad.
Well, this is reality, okay?
You picking through BBs.
BBs that have been fired before, yeah.
Yeah, little metal shavings and stuff.
No, that's paper. You know. Anyway,
Favorite
the way I used to do it.
Bottom of my foot. All right.
The way I used to do it is I would put them in this little cap, and then you'll pull the spring back.
Pull it back.
And on the older style, you hold on for dear life, because if you let go of it, it's heading south. And then take your little squeeze bottle. Oh, see? Fiddly bits? Oh, yeah. Get your hole oriented, and then squeeze your little squeeze bottle. And if everything works out okay, you'll get 50 rounds in there without too much trouble. Now, if you're not equipped with a squeeze bottle, Then the other alternative is to take your BBs manually. Now, if you're adventurous, I've seen this done. You can line up some, but oh, damn it, that spring again. Oh, I've seen it done.
Okay, well.
So anyway, you got to get the spring out of the way and hang on to it, and then you can, like I said, this is something that you got to be steady to do. But I've seen. Yeah, I'm not good at this because I.
Just do 3. Don't
So
try
anyway,
to read about
then you roll them down here.
2 out of 3. Oh, 1 out of 3. Uh-oh.
Damn that spring.
All right.
Anyway,
Come on, big dog.
so that's the old way of getting things done. Now we'll extract our BBs. I think that tab is a real pain.
You got it, big dog.
Ow.
You don't have to extract all of it.
Well,
I mean, I'd leave some in there just for the fun.
you are not a perfection. Ow. God, that
I
hurts.
think that's a sign, dude. Just
All right. Yeah, okay. I'm not going to fight with you about
you
it.
don't have to put 50 BBs
All right,
in
so
50 years.
now, through the courtesy and miracle of modern machining and 3D printing,
3D printing.
note VAT with hole. Note block.
Block.
So, now, there are 2 different models, and the reason for this is the hole and the tab. Well, that's kind of cluttered. Sound away. Okay, here's the tab,
Yeah.
and here's the hole.
Yeah.
All right, notice that they are X distance from here to there.
Yeah.
On the modern gun, you'll notice that that hole and that tab do not line up.
Nice.
So that's why there's 2 different colors here. The white one, the short one, is for the older style. So you run that down. You take this, because this is the orientation. You line your tab up with that. See? That holds it for you, and you snap it in place.
Right.
Now, you may have to shift it a little bit
Yeah.
to get the hole opened up.
All right, give me a rotate that.
See that?
360 so we can see the whole thing.
See, that's about where it looks like it might work, but actually you got to have it back there.
All right.
Then you blow some more crap out of your BB vat. And see, now we've got the tab locked.
Ew.
Tab can't go anywhere. The hole is open for the loading port.
Okay. Take all the random paper products and leaves out of your BBs.
Boy, these had a bunch in it.
Yeah. You got a little kind of wild coyote with that.
All right, let's see, we'll pick some of the crap out of here. And anything else that looks suspicious, like that one. Nah, be gone. All right, now,
Okay.
we've got our loading port lined up
Yeah.
pretty close. Our tab can't slap our fingers. And all you do now is, here, I'll roll in from the top. And they don't go anywhere. Oh, no, it's just me.
Okay.
So I had to fill that hole a little bit more.
Yeah. It's a finagly.
Is it the BB? No, I wasn't in the hole.
Oh.
All right, so we got to move this forward.
Okay.
Oh, look at that. The BB came back.
Ah!
A whole bunch. So anyway,
All right.
after you get, I think that's now in the hole.
We'll
So
find
you just kind
out.
of pour them in there. Man, it don't want to go, does it? Still
There it
biting.
goes. There it goes.
Pour them in the hole. Oh, look at that. They're so nice when they roll around.
So they
Some
want to
of them,
go in.
some of them go. Some of them are a little
It's
oversized.
a really late game when it's a snug fit.
I would think it's probably loosens up the more you use
I
it.
bet if you dump a bunch in there, you shake it around, it'd probably do pretty good. Yeah, there you go. Give it a little shake.
I still don't think I got the alignment correct.
Probably not, but you're trying to match up 2 holes like furniture, and we all know how that goes.
So anyway, instead of falling all over the floor, most of them went into the shot tube.
Huzzah!
And there they are, lined up and ready for use. We're not
Much
going to do the whole
easier use.
50. So that was for the old style. You normally notice those are because they have a metal forecap with a little fine burr, and they'll have the old style retaining system, all right? Doesn't have the aluminum body like the new tube. So now we're going to go to the new tube and demonstrate how that works with random BBs
On the desk.
on the desk. And we'll try to avoid any dirt. All right, so same basic process with the new shot tube, but because it actually has a tab to hold it, it's not quite as finicky. So you get that lined up, and you get your, and that flipped out. I'm not doing you any favors on camera work, am I?
No.
All right, so we gotta get that lined up. I mean, I'm being irregular.
Oh, wow.
And now let's see here. Now we slip this in, press it in place,
Oops.
and then look for a hole.
You looking pretty holy.
I think I gotta go
You gotta
back
move
just a bit.
more towards me. There you go.
Too far. All right, let's go back this way just a touch.
Just not very much. All right.
It's a tight fit. I mean, this
Yeah.
thing. All right, now.
All right. Here we go.
I'm expecting to see him just pour in there. Ah, look at that.
Ah, that's what you want to see. See?
They just bounce out, but
Dang.
oh,
leave.
trash.
Looking good.
Okay, now that one looks pretty.
Yeah, that's the whole intent.
And I think that if you had to, you might, on the white one, you might want to think about just opening that hole up a little bit. But anyway, when you're done, you just kind of pop it off, and voila, your magazine's loaded. Really simplifies the process. It's an interesting little set of tools. I think that I don't have a name of a company, and I don't have a place that you can purchase them, but who knows? After a couple of folks have watched this video, maybe made some inquiries, I might be able to give you some more information on that. In the past, over the years that I've been doing this, similar products have been sent to me. This guy actually got into production. They were available on eBay for a while. I think they still are. He's gone through a couple of iterations on these guys, but they are for the top-loading, older style 102 daisies. They work well. They're available. They're moderately priced. And the other fella that has sent me some examples of stuff he was building for daisies, the daisy mainspring compressor. These were available on eBay, sold 700 or 800 of them, then disappeared for a while, but I believe he's reappeared. At least that's what I'm told. So you can once again get your hands on one of these mainspring compressor tools. But these are all small makers that, have an interest in daisies and making it easier to have fun with your daisy. So, if you liked what you saw, leave me a comment, and I'll see if I can get some more information about where they might be available from. And, of course, I have no idea what the price point would be. But, nonetheless, you've been introduced. Hey, this is a gizmo you can get for your Daisy Model 25 Mac, old style or new style, and they do work pretty well. That's all we've got for you today, kids. This is Shane Bruce with Restomod Daisy, signing off.